Hello and welcome to our JavaScript course. My name is Pavel and I will be guiding you through the essentials of JavaScript, its history. In this video, we will cover what JavaScript is, a brief history of how it came to be, its role as a programming language, how it differs from HTML and CSS, and an introduction to ECMAScript. JavaScript was created by Brendan Eich in 1995 while he was working at Netscape Communication Corporation. Initially, it was called Mocha, then LiveScript, and finally JavaScript. JavaScript was developed to make web pages more interactive. At the time, web pages were static, and JavaScript brought them to life with dynamic content. Despite its name, JavaScript has no direct connection to Java. The name was part of a marketing strategy to ride on the popularity of Java. JavaScript is a light, well-interpreted script language. It's primarily used for creating and controlling dynamic website content, such as animated graphics, interactive forms, and more. JavaScript code can be run in the browser or on the server. In this browser, it interacts with the document object model to manipulate web pages in real time. On the server side, it can be used with platforms like Node.js to build scalable network applications. For example, JavaScript can be used to validate form inputs on a web page before they are sent to a server, ensuring that users fill out forms correctly. Let's discuss the difference between JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is used to structure content on the web. It defines elements like heading, paragraphs, and images. CSS, cascading style sheets, is used to style and layout web pages. It controls the visual presentation of HTML elements such as colors, fonts, and spacing. JavaScript is used to add behavior and interactivity to web page. It can modify HTML and CSS to update the content, validate forms, create animation, and much more. Think of a web page as a document styled with various visual effects and brought to life with interactive features. ECMAScript is a standardized specification that JavaScript follows. It ensures that JavaScript implementations across different web browsers are consistent and reliable. The most significant updates to ECMAScript was ES6, which introduced many modern features like let and const, arrow function, classes, and models. JavaScript continues to evolve with new features being added regularly. ECMAScript serves as the foundation for these updates, ensuring the language remains robust and versatile. To recap, we have covered the origins and history of JavaScript, its roles as programming language, how it differs from HTML and CSS, and brief introduction to ECMAScript. In the next video, we will dive into how JavaScript works in browser and explore its interactions with HTML and CSS. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.